really low.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you go under it and you use like an umbrella that's actually not really that large, because if it's large then and it's not reloaded yet and you just do that, then the clouds will just fly away.
And do you have an idea for the umbrella to have a use, or that's just going to cover?
Something that covers me and doesn't like goes when it pulls up. You have to pull it up first out of the rain, then you go under, then it rains.
So I just had a couple of questions on your drawing. I wasn't really clear. I could see, here's your original drawing. We have some copies and we're going to just make notes. Is that okay? Mm. So we see that this is the ocean, and that there's a hose that goes down into the ocean.
Actually, it doesn't go down, it goes up and just like suck it up.
Okay. But so the hose goes just to the top of the ocean.
It just like goes a little bit down under the water.
Okay.
And then there's going to be like air sucking it up, and all the air will go inside.
Okay.
And then like some will pull up here, and this thing will collect all the salt, and you have to take it out when it's all full. So you take it up, and you have to put the salt in the garbage because they're bad. And anyways, and the fresh water goes down here. And they keep going and going and going, and a little much water, but it has to be fresh water inside a bucket. So it goes down, and it goes in here, and smoke will come and cover the water up, and goes up, raining.
Okay, so let me just kind of regroup. Let's just go over that again. So this goes, it's just a little bit under the water, and it comes up here, and then it goes up on this side to this, and this takes the salt out.
Inside this little tiny square box.
Okay. Oh, there's a little square box. Okay, that's the salt collector. Okay.
Yeah, and you have to take it out, and you can collect the salt, or you can dump it in the trash.
Okay.
And I think the garbage guy will have to like deal with the salt. I don't know what he's gonna do anyways.
You don't think there's a use for the salt?
I think
could we use it for something?
Well, I think he's gotta use it for like
popcorn.
Salty spaghetti.
I think cheese will work for it.
Cheese? Salt collection for the cheese, maybe? Okay.
No, maybe just like salt.
Just salt, okay. How about we just put it in a shaker? Salt shaker.
Okay.
Put it in a salt shaker? Okay. We're just trying to get some ideas of the model that we're going to build.
Like the salt, and you put like a different kind of drink. It looks like paint, but when you shake it, it just like turns into like a drink or anything. I wonder about that, anyways.
Okay.
Like salted water, and like you have to drink a salt water.
Probably that wouldn't be too good.
I think you can like use the salt for like dumping the salt or anything. You have to collect the salt to pouring it on food or anything.
Okay. All right, we can figure that out. And this in this little box is where it sucks the salt out. Okay. Then it comes back down.
That's right. Maybe even bigger. Maybe even bigger box.
Okay, maybe even bigger. Maybe bigger. Okay. And then it comes up here, and then it goes into here. And what's this box here?
You mean this?
Well, there's a box here, and is this?
Oh, that box is just like has a little space for little wires that makes the smoke and cover the water.
Okay. And when you say smoke, do you mean like mist kind of thing, or do you mean smoke?
Like the smoke covers the water, so it can be a cloud.
So like the mist on the water, that kind of, it looks like smoke.
Steam.
Yeah, we just need like a lot of water so it can rain right now.
Okay. All right. So wires are in here, and this is you said this is a water pot.
Yeah, water pot. So it needs like fresh water in the pot, and it goes down inside this thing, and this is just the wire for that. And it goes down and goes inside through the steam, and then it covers the water.
Okay, so we've got fresh water after the water comes up from the ocean, takes the salt out, comes here. So this is fresh water, And then we're putting more fresh water, so are we having two
Yeah.
fresh
We
water?
need like a lot of fresh water so it can like rain right now.
Okay, so that's why we had to add some extra.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can rain like a storm. I don't know how to make a lightning on it, but I think I'm just gonna make like rain on it.
Do you think we should have some lightning?
No, that'd be dangerous. Break your umbrella. Break your umbrella and like turn to pieces.
Okay, no lightning. We'll put that on there. No lightning.
Or you can just like
Too dangerous. Too dangerous. All right. Got
Safety is important.
even you have to do a warning sign for that too.
That'd be
that.
cool.
Oh yeah.
No lightning bolt.
Warning. Yeah.
Yeah,
Warning
don't
sign.
forget that part.
Okay, I won't.
If
Don't
you,
forget this one. Don't forget. I'll make a note. Don't forget the warning sign. All right. So then, okay, so the steam comes up and it goes up, and that's what seeds the cloud.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
and
it
it
comes
has
down.
too much water, so it needs some water to go down, little drops.
Okay.
And
So
then it'll be like a regular cloud soon.
okay.
So you can have fun with the cloud close to you a little bit more. Then it'll be like more lighter and water inside it. Then it'll just go up and be like regular rain when it goes all the way up to the sky
Okay.
with the other clouds. It looks like a cloud is grown up and like goes up and find a new home.
All right.
Out there.
So now this rain comes down. Do we want to do anything with the rain, or is it going to
Just gonna-
water anything special? Do you think, or
Collected.
Wanna-
It's gonna be like fresh water, just like only fresh water. That's the special thing, because all the other rains up there is just gonna be like salty. I
okay?
think.
But you don't want to. Do you want to collect this water? Do you want it to water something? Do
Well,
you
that
want
water is just for fun. You can play around it with your bathing suit on it, or just like pretend you're like walking with an umbrella raining.
Okay, so it's not a lot of water to like water crops or anything like that. It's just it's for
just for fun. You can run around on it with your bathing suit.
with a bathing suit. Okay.
Yeah, and I think it'll go fast up. It'll go fast up when it gets a little lighter, but a little bit more rain when it goes fast up in the air back.
Okay.
And like, psst,
Okay.
and it'll be much funner on that one.
Would it be okay if we did some kind of a garden underneath the cloud with the rain? Would that be
I
okay?
think I just want to do it in like dry land or anywhere.
Okay. So what do you think for vegetation? Any
I
kind of
think that I want-
vegetation?
Yeah, I think that machine needs wheels so it can push it anywhere where it can rain.
Oh
You
yeah.
you can like cover the backyard with all the rain quickly,
Okay.
so it won't like fly up quickly. Don't do it slowly, or it'll just like fly up. So you have to do it really quickly to cover the whole garden with rain. It'll
Okay.
be much better. Or
So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking it's going to cover a huge backyard, or even bigger than that.
it can
Is
be
that
like,
what your vision
it can
is
be
too?
any kind of size, like small, big, medium,
Okay.
or
Okay.
like medium, small, big.
Any size. Okay.
Yeah.
So like personal
a
use
square.
to industrial.
It can be
use,
like
right?
a cloud as a square, or
Okay.
it could need like a shape to like make a shape for the cloud. So it can, like when it goes up, and we can make like shapes, like a circle, or it can be regular, or that was I was thinking about that too.
So the cloud is coming into like a form or something like
Yeah.
that, and then it can be formed into.
Yeah, but it still has to rain. And when it
Okay.
goes up, it goes back to regular.
Okay.
Or you can keep it like or you can keep it like that and just go up in the air and be like cool. You can like look up in the sky lying down and you can see it.
Okay. So, but what are you laying on?
You can like lay on the floor, and you can like lay on the floor, but you have to put like something so it can cover your body.
So you're not
so
getting
you won't
rained on.
get dirty
Yeah.
on your back. Or you have to take a shower.
So if underneath here could be like some kind of deck or something like that.
Yeah,
So you're not
something
laying in the
like-
mud.
Yeah, if there's like a mud, you can use it so you get like muddy in your back, or you have to take a shower for your whole back.
Don't I know that?
The back will be harder.
And the sun, is that going to play a part in this?
Oh,
or
the sun is just like I just made a sun. It's like pretend it's outside.
Oh, okay.
so it's not inside, or it'll be raining inside. It'll be wet inside the house.
Okay.
So it's only so it can only do it outside, not inside.
Right. Okay.
Even the lightning strike will hit the house.
Oh boy. I thought we said there was going to be no lightning.
But the warning sign will work.
Okay, that's right.
Just in case.
Okay, so the sun is just
Yeah.
there just to show us that it's outdoors.
Yeah.
Okay. So it has no role in anything.
Yeah.
So what happens if we do use the sun for energy to run this machine?
Well, if they wanted to do energy, then it'll have to be outside sunny, so any day, because they'll have to be like a thing that like the sun reflects to it, and then it can make the machine work.
That's we were wondering. We were trying to figure out how this thing could be operated.
Because they'll have to be like working in the sun then.
Okay. So this could be solar powered.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you will have to wait for if you cover the whole backyard with clouds, because it will not work.
Right. Unless it's sunny out.
Yeah, you can only do one when there's a solar power.
Okay.
So you have to move away from it so it could still work. And it has to be an off button and an on button, like you turn the machine on or off.
An off and an on button. Okay.
Yep.
And let's see. What do you think? Do you have any ideas for materials, or is it made out of? Do you see through this stuff? Is it black? Do you have a color in mind? Did you kind of imagine?
I think the cloud, I think it could be in color, like any kind of different color. Then it will have to, when it goes up, I think it will have to be like the regular size. When it goes up.
Okay.
When the cloud goes up, then it'll be a regular size. But it'll still be the color when you still see a little of color on the cloud when it still goes up.
And what color would that be, do you think? Do you have something in mind?
Like any kind of color in the rainbow.
Ah. We could use rainbow color or...
Yeah, rainbow color. Just like color in the rainbow.
Okay.
That's only could make.
And do you see this any particular color? The machine and the tubing and the pot?
A tube that you can see through, so you could see the water flowing through it?
Yeah, you can see the inside. That's the inside. Okay. I didn't make the outside because it'll just be ugly when you see the outside.
Okay, so this is transparent.
And anyways, this size is actually really big and it's wrong. So you have to find a really big space to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we were thinking.
Yes.
Not like a small backyard. You have to do it in the front yard.
In the front yard, okay.
Yeah.
Big space.
You can have a big space in the backyard if you have it, then you can do it. But if you don't have one, like my backyard, it's really small.
Okay.
Nothing to do out there.
How about like park size?
Yeah, like park size. Somebody has bigger space.
You have a school field, a school playground?
The playground, yeah, is really big.
Okay.
It's bigger.
So that size, you're thinking? Something like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You fit in bigger places, not like small places, because you have to squish it, and it's just like the cloud will be a little bit big. It'll cover the whole backyard if there's a small place.
Okay.
Because the cloud will have to be medium.
Okay.
So what was the rainbow part again? What's the rainbow colors, the clouds that it's producing?
The clouds of the color can only, the color of the clouds can only be in what's in the rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
So the color can only be what's in the rainbow for the clouds to be in the color.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So just imagine you'll see Mother Nature clouds, but we'll all know which clouds are from these machines, because those will be the colorful clouds. Interesting.
It's got its own brand.
But you can do like a rainbow cloud. You can do all the colors of the rainbow.
Okay.
Color
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
And that'll have to be a rainbow button to push it, then it'll do it.
Okay, rainbow button.
And you can do it, and it's gonna make the cloud really fast. It's gonna make the machine it's gonna suck up the ocean really fast, goes these things faster, and goes up into the cloud.
Okay.
The steam will be a little bit medium when it goes, but steam is sometimes really lazy, and sometimes they're going slow.
Yeah.
They're like walking.
And just tell me where this goes. This water goes.
This water goes down here. Doesn't go all the way down to there.
Okay.
Because it'll break the machine. It'll explode.
Okay.
So it has to like close quickly when the water goes down.
Okay.
And it'll open fast.
And what's this part for?
This part is this is the wire for this.
Oh, this is the
Okay.
wires. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, you just got it.
Yeah. I said wires, and I had an arrow pointing there, but I guess I missed that
Well,
part.
it looks like you did all. It looks like you did a pointer to all of this part.
Yeah.
Not all of the machine, but that part.
Which is the wires.
Yeah. So this
Okay.
one has to be a little tiny door when the water comes down.
Yeah.
Or if it doesn't, then it'll go down and boom, and break your whole house.
Okay, tiny door. All right. Wow, that's great. You've given us some really great information. Do you have any more questions, Peter?
Well, it's your choice to do the solar power or not.
Oh, it's our choice. Okay.
Yep.
Our choice.
I'm curious, when you were doing your drawing, how long did it take you to do your drawing? Do you remember?
Well, I think the coin counts. Well, I don't really want to do it. But anyways, I did really want to do it.
So how long?
So when I drawed it, it took medium. It took medium long sometimes. Sometimes a little bit longer.
But initially you were kind of like unsure about drawing, and then you got into it?
Yeah, I was thinking about that raining part overflowing in my classroom. I was feeling like that water was not really clear. That water had to take a shower. So instead I want to make the whole clouds of the rain to make like fresh water instead. So I can change the whole world of clouds to be like raining. Like the whole earth has to be like fresh water instead, because they taste like really bad. They taste like salted. So I think it'll all be in the news anyways.
Mm-hmm.
It'll all be in the news if it covered the whole place with fresh water every time when it's raining.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's for fun, and sometimes it's for when you need clouds. Even you can do it at night. It'll be much better because there's gonna be like colorful lights when it does it. It's gonna be like colorful lights and stuff.
There's some lights here?
Yeah, and when it goes up, it can glow. The color of the cloud can glow too.
Okay. Could be some lights, all right.
Was it your classroom that flooded, or it was the field that flooded that you saw your
The whole
maintenance
classroom.
guy? The whole classroom got wet?
Yeah, the whole classroom.
Wow.
Even flooded all of the classroom, even the roof.
Okay.
All the roof, and there was like water stuck up in the roof anyways.
So rain was really on your mind, huh?
Yeah, it was like so raining, and I saw some plants growing.
Really?
Yeah, but when it's raining so hard, sometimes waters are really hard. I remember I did belly flop last time in like a swimming pool. It hurt my belly. It was like red all over. It looks like it hurts
It's
really
happened to
bad.
me too.
Even it can do it on the back. If you do a backflip, it can have a red all over your body. It'll really hurt. Belly flop are really dangerous for me because this is like there's like a movie from. There's like a gumball movie, and he was like going swimming, like I'm gonna go down and swim, and he jumped off the diving board, and the water slapped him like, and like floated down the water.
We
Even
probably won't include him.
even like ice looks like water, and I was watching this video that was really funny. He was like going to run and jump into it, but he actually got hurt because it was all ice and it was snowing cold too.
So slippery like ice skating, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. Neato.
So the water in the water pot doesn't come from the ocean.
No, it comes from like fresh water.
Just fresh water from the
If
sink
it-
or
If this is from like the ocean,
yeah.
then it'll it will not work. It will just be all salty. It'll taste weird, like fresh and salty together. Tastes like weird. Tastes like.
But wasn't this collecting the salt out?
Yeah, you have to collect the salt
Yeah.
for it, like, and put it on the salt cup, and like you can put it on food or anything.
Right.
But it's still not clean enough, and so you need to add a little bit more fresh water to
Yeah.
it. Okay.
It can have a big, but it needs a big, huge hole so it can cover the whole thing of the salt bucket if you had one. If you don't have to buy one at the store, it's for free if you do it yourself.
Okay. And so, and then the steam that comes from the water.
The steam covers the water. A lot of steam covers the water, so it can cover the whole thing that you can't look at it. Then it's really heavy that it can drop a lot of water, and then it'll go fast up with a lot of raindrops coming up, and then it'll just be like a regular cloud.
Okay.
And
Maybe you can use some of that water for the water pot.
You know, when there's a raining storm, and you have to drink water, and you're all out, you just drink the rain with fresh water.
Yeah. But if to turn the water to steam, is there anything that we should be aware of?
There's one dangerous thing, just like the lightning thing, like a little.
The
reminder.
lightning thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that lightning thing. Okay.
Yeah, so warning, you have to step out for a minute, like for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because if you do for 4 minutes, then it'll just fly up and you get a chance to do it. So just making sure, you have to make sure, then you can go inside only in 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes.
So you're asking about the sun. Is the sun using the...
Yeah, it's using the solar power to work, all the machines to work.
Okay, so solar powered.
So I have to put the steam. If it's very lighting, then it'll just go faster and faster and faster, really faster. And when it's really hot, everybody can burn. It'll just suck up the ocean
So
do
it's
that.
the intensity, how strong the light is, will affect how fast this machine.
We
Yeah,
had
exactly.
looked earlier at a collector that was reflecting
The
on a
ocean, there's going to be a lot of ocean,
pipe
and
that was heating up
it's going to do
an
this
element.
when,
So it was
when it's really
the
big.
sun was collected into a mirror and then would heat up the central
When the sun is really
filament.
big like
So
this.
that, I think, is where you got the idea
When the
from.
sun is really big like this, you have to make sure there's not too much sun, or it'll just go fast and it'll not function.
Too fast.
Yeah, and you can't how to fix it back to off and on. And this is how it works. There's gonna be a thing how to turn on low, off, low, medium, or high. But if you do if you didn't listen to a thing that says too fast solar power, if there's sun, then if you do that, then it'll do that and not function and it'll destroy. Even don't put a self-destruct button on it, because
Okay.
Just an on and off button, a
Self-destruct.
rainbow button. That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
And then the warning sticker.
yeah, the one sticker will remind you. That's
Okay.
really good about it.
Okay.
If you had a metal, umbrella, then the lightning will strike it and it'll never break. It'll just have a little black dot on it.
On the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it got a lightning strike on it, and when it's metal.
Okay.
Even the black things, burning black dots, and when you taste it, bleh. When you put salt on it, it'll taste much better.
And you can use it with your
I
salt
remember I
shaker.
watched SpongeBob. There's Patrick who has
Starfish.
yeah, and when he put his hand in the fire, he put his hand inside the fire for a while, for 10 minutes, and he's ah, and when he touched it, bleh.
Where did Patrick find the fire under the water?
He didn't find it under water. It was when he struck on wood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have a surprising amount of combustible material at the bottom of the ocean in that cartoon.
They gotta make those Krabby Patties somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs, actually he'll be fine when there's a lightning strike hit him.
When you were talking about the
When
solar
it's in
collector
SpongeBob,
earlier,
not really true.
when you were talking about the
Scary.
thing that's in
here in the Climate Lab exhibit, or is that something you saw somewhere else?
I'm not sure if it was here or
Okay.
we also go to the one at the California Academy,
Uh-huh.
which we had been to like a few
Uh-huh.
days before and everything.
Uh-huh.
But I know we were talking about it
Right.
during
How many
that.
people lab coat?
I remember we were having
How
that
many people lab coat?
conversation.
This feels comfortable.
Alexa, get used to it, kiddo.
do you think that you want to be a scientist?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
But when I grow up, I want to be a doctor and a scientist.
Yeah. Well, science.
Yeah.
Doctors use a lot of science. Yeah. It's sort of a natural combination.
Even I was interested in science because if I don't have a lab coat, then I won't be a scientist then. And it's sometimes really hard for me. I watch a lot of YouTube to like see how to do like science fictions, and then they showed me, but all those stuff I don't really have in my house. Like
what kinds of stuff?
Like there's you can use a lot of science fictions on like dry ice.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's this scientist who showed you how to do a dry ice bubble,
Mm-hmm.
and he dropped the dry ice inside a big bowl, red big bowl, and all the steam came out, and he used like 2 long blue balloons that's very longer than a regular balloon. Then he just like do the first one, he rolled it around the bowl, then he used the second one and he just used it across. He's like stretching and used it across.
Mm-hmm.
And then when he was done, there was like dry ice bubble, and it was like he was figuring out like that, and when it exploded, like it was soft when it was like too much steam. Like,
Oh yeah.
And some of the cheese.
that would be really cool.
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
So when you say science fictions, you mean science experiments? You're
Yep.
seeing a lot of science experiments on
Mhm.
YouTube?
hmm
Okay.
Even I tried to make like science stuff. Even there's like a science thing that I found how to make like an orange out of fire, but it was so hard. You have to take all the juice out. You have to have an orange, make a huge hole inside in the middle. You have to take a lot of juice out as you can, and then put a dry rock inside it,
Mm-hmm.
and use like a stick and roll it, and it'll make fire.
Oh, you're using the orange peel
Yep.
as the container
Mhm.
to create a fire.
Yeah, and you can make a fire on the water. You just
What do
need
you
a
do
match.
with all of the orange? You eat it?
No, you can use the orange as like a fire.
That explains the orange and the rocks that I found on our table.
Yeah, I failed it.
It failed.
Yeah, because I didn't put the
Squished
juice. I didn't have a lot of juice. I didn't push the juice out. I forgot that part. Anyways, I tried to pull the juice out as many as I can, but there was some on the side and just like came over there. And it was like, I didn't notice that, so I put the rocket inside it. It was all wet, and it was like, I hope this works. And then when I tried it again, it broke.
Do you ever watch the Bill Nye the Science Guy
Yep.
videos?
He showed us he broke the ice sculpture, broke his own. He was like sad. Even there's a funny part like he was about to say when he was saying water, there was like bucket that was going to splash him like in a bucket. And when he said soil never comes, and he was like, so water, and he was like, what? Okay, soil. Yeah. And when he said at the end, he said like, so that's how you create water, and like, when he got wet. He's like weird. Even like there's steam coming to a city, like make everybody cough. And he was running like a lot of laps to a different sign of numbers, 100 numbers. And then when he came to the other side, he used like a nonfiction stuff.
No.
And even he cut.
Non-fiction stuff.
Yeah, and there's like a huge bowl of cheese, and when he was cutting it, then it turned into 2 pieces, and they're actually medium. When you cut it again, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And when there's a very small piece of cheese, really small, and he tried to cut it again with a little tiny knife, and like that. And when he keeps doing it, it disappeared.
Are you watching Bill Nye on
TV or on YouTube? Where are you watching
On
him?
a computer.
On your computer. So you're watching him off the
YouTube.
internet, off YouTube.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
really funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Funny guy.
fantastic.
He's right there.
He is a funny
Really
guy.
There he is.
Funny guy. Funny guy. Cool.
He's been here in real life too.
Yeah.
Really?
In this very room. He could have been sitting in the same chair that you're sitting in now.
Sure, I'd love to meet him sometime.
All right.
Hey, I'm Bill. Even I still want to keep a lab coat.
Cool. You guys have any other questions? I mean, we covered
Even
a
I'm
lot
Wow,
of
this is
ground.
way more interesting than
Even
I
I'm still
even imagined.
serious. I really want a lab coat.
Yeah, totally curious.
Okay, I'll get your lab coat.
You know, we'll have to think about that. You know, whether we could. Right now, we have only a certain number of lab coats for people to use in the exhibit, but maybe we can get some extras that we could give to the people whose
To our
drawings
inventors.
Yeah, and I've
Select
been
for
like
them.
doing fiction stuff.
Yeah.
I try to do it. Even when I'm not wearing a lab coat, I'm not doing this stuff. Even I think Lego's interesting because they stick together.
Mm-hmm.